Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be setting up my bullet journal spread for May. Because May is going to be a very revision intensive month, I thought I'd do a theme which had to do with what I was revising for, and that would be chemistry. I'm sure you've all heard the common expression, is the glass half empty or half full? If you're pessimistic, you'd say it's half empty, and if you're optimistic, you'd say it was half full. However, for anyone who studies the sciences, the glass is actually full. It has water in the bottom half and air in the top. So I drew out an infographic to demonstrate this point and used it as the front page of my May bullet journal setup. To go from a science theme to a more chemistry specific theme, I decided to write May out in the style of test tube / reaction flask font, and also drew a conical flask right next to the word May. For the mood tracker, I just drew 31 test tubes. I'll then be able to fill out what mood I'm having each day by coloring in the test tube according to the key in the upper left corner. So the better my mood on the day, the higher the liquid in the test tube will be filled. So the next page, I'm just drawing out my calendar for May. I was trying to make it look a bit like a periodic table by using red for the group 1 metals, green for the group 2 metals, and having different shades of blue around the staircase division, and making the halogens navy. There were only 7 days a week, so although I took out all the transition metals in the D block, I couldn't fit in the noble gases, so I just used that as kind of a notes section in the calendar, which I'll outline later. And instead of writing May on the top left hand corner, I thought I'd just write out the words periodic table, since otherwise no one will actually draw the connection between this calendar and a periodic table because of how it's laid out. All in all, I really struggled in trying to make this calendar chemistry themed, so if anyone has any better suggestions, do leave it in the comments below. And next up we have the habit tracker, except I seem to have lost the footage for that, so all you have is me drawing up the chemistry revision playlist. But basically, the idea of the habit tracker was that I'd use a conical flask for tracking my exercise, a beaker for tracking how often I call my grandma, and a jar, I guess, to track the number of days I drink 7 cups of water for, because I'm really bad at drinking enough water each day, and 2 measuring cylinders to track the number of days I spend actually doing stuff to do with nomad studies. The chemistry revision playlist page features a sort of questionable drawing of my iPhone 6 and the songs which I'd like to listen to when I do chemistry revision. So I usually listen to music with lyrics in it when I do past papers. But on the other hand, if I'm making notes or reviewing them, then I can't have lyrics in the songs because otherwise I just end up either writing the song lyric down or just humming to it. So here are 5 songs / albums which I listen to when I revise for my exams. Square Up by Blackpink and Purpose by Taeyeon are 2 albums which I tend to listen to when I do past papers, as I find they really motivate me to do the exam paper in as little time as possible. Anyway, here's a final flip through of my May bullet journal setup. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see more of my content. Hope you're all staying safe during this self-isolating period.